Yeah, I need something new to prove, something stronger than I'm used to. Yeah, I've been pouring 90 to 100, feeling like nothing's gonna cut it, that's the hard truth. Yeah, I need something new to prove. Yeah, I need something new to prove. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. This is Blaze of Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you have any requests in the comments section. All right, so let's get started. This is a great song. This is how to play You Proof by Morgan Wallen. This is a new song, and I really, really love it. I just love Morgan Wallen, though. He's so great. Okay, so this song is in standard tuning, and there's no capo. There's some other tutorials out there and stuff that include a capo. You might think that's easier. I think this is like a super easy way to play it, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So let's get into it. So you're only going to use 3 chords for this song, okay? This is a super simple song. So you're going to do D, and I am muting the top string. I'm not saying you have to, but I am. D. You're also going to use F sharp minor. So that's you're gonna bar. You don't, if you can't. I mean, honestly, it's totally fine if you just play like a power chord. So pointer finger goes on the 2nd fret on the big E string. Ring finger goes on the on the 4th fret on the A string, and your pinky finger goes on the 4th fret on the D string. You're supposed to bar this, but if you can't, that's totally fine. Okay, and then you're also going to do A. Okay, so you're going to start the song, and I'll show you the strumming pattern in just a sec, but you're going to start the song with D, F sharp minor, A. Okay, so you're going to play that through twice with no lyrics. D, F sharp minor, A, D, F sharp minor, A, and then you're going to start playing, and then you're going to start singing too, so it'll be... Okay, so the strumming pattern for this is down, up, mute, 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 down, up, mute. Okay, so simply put, that is down, up, mute, 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 down, up, mute. Down, up, mute, 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 down, up, mute. Okay, so that's not crazy difficult. If you have a hard time with it, take it slow. Okay, so that you're actually just going to repeat that throughout the song. So you'll do. Okay, now when you're playing the verse, I would try and play it a little bit softer, but if you listen to the song, they play the same thing the whole time, all right? So it's just that same chord progression throughout the song, okay? Now, another way that you can play it is you could do down, down, up, mute, down, up, mute, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you could play it like that as well. This is a super simple song. I'm not going to actually walk you through where you play all of the chords because I think that actually is kind of counterproductive. I will show you in this that when you start it, you're going to do, well, I've been throwing down the whiskey. And whiskey is where you should start the chord progression. Okay, so whiskey. I ain't got my money back. Okay, so the reason I say that you start whiskey on D is because I don't think you should be trying to, because the song, the chords switch so quickly, I don't think that you should be trying to line them up exactly with the lyrics, okay? When you get to the chorus, though, you will do, I need something new. So you is going to be D, and that's where you're going to start with it. Something stronger than I'm used to. I've been pouring 90 to 100, feeling like nothing's gonna cut it, that's the hard truth. So you just start with, I need something new. So U is D. Okay, and then you're gonna go stronger than, all right, and then it's stronger than I'm used to. Used to is okay? That's like really how you play the whole song with chords, okay? Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. This is a super simple song. Thanks so much for watching. Like I said, please hit like and subscribe, and yeah, I'll catch you next time.